Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5055E four-wheel drive cab tractor. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. It's a very clean unit. Again, just over 100 hours, so the hours are very low. Tractor's practically new. It does have the loader joystick, so if you want to add a loader to this tractor, you certainly can do that. It does have the front grill guard and front weight carrier on it. 3-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo, rated at 59 horsepower. Tires are next to new. Work flags on the front and back of the cab. Telescopic 3-point arms at the 540 and 540 EPTO. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Top link back here has the rear remote back here as well. Just about as close to new as we're going to be able to get you here. It's a very clean tractor. Inside the cab, no surprises, looks just like the exterior. Still has the plastic on the seat. It does have the 12-speed power reverser transmission. Power reverser here on the steering column allows you to change direction without clutching. 12 speeds in the transmission. You have 3 ranges on the shorter lever, 4 gears on the larger lever there. 3-point hydraulic, PTO controls all over there to the right, and then also have your loader control. If you do want to add a loader, it's all set up for that. Climate controls, radio, rear view mirror, and sun visor all up top. And again, just about as close to new as we're going to be able to get you here. 2021 year model. Warranty runs into October of 2026. We do take trades. We also offer, financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.